guys, welcome back to Zaza's Hair Hub. Let's just get right into today's video. Today I'm going to be talking about some homemade hair mask that you should be doing for hair growth, right? Again, just because you do these things one time does not mean that your hair is just magically going to grow. These things take time. You have to keep on doing them. You have to keep on doing them diligently for you to see results, right? So the first one I'm going to talk about, some I have done on the channel already, but and some I'm yet to do. So why do we do hair mask? That's the first question that you should ask yourself. We do hair mask because it nourishes the scalp and it stimulates hair growth. It's a way for your hair to take in moisture, right? So the first one is going to be the avocado hair mask. You want to leave it in for 20 minutes. You could leave these things in for longer if you have the time, but you want to leave it in for at least 20 minutes. Avocado is a natural moisturizer. It prevents hair loss, promotes longer and healthier hair. It straightens the hair, and it acts as a natural sunscreen for the hair to protect it from the sun, and therefore it reduces tangling, frizz. It reduces it. Before doing my research, I didn't even know that hair needs sunscreen. Like, have you even thought about that before? So just the same way your skin needs sunscreen, your hair as well needs sunscreen, and that's where avocado comes in. We go to the next one, eggs. This one, you leave it in for about 15 minutes. Now, just to tell you guys, you could mix these things together, right? You just have to have the patience to wash them out. Obviously, when you're doing an egg hair mask, you want to make sure you wash it out with cold water, right? If not, you'll be having cooked egg on top of your head, right? And we don't want that. So eggs is rich in protein, is rich in biotin. It gives your hair strength and elasticity, right? And it defends it against breakage and split ends. The protein in eggs helps to straighten the hair. It gives it vitamins, minerals that nourishes the hair scalp, right? And there's roughly 6 grams of protein in one large egg. So, and it contains keratin. So just when you're eating it, you should also be using it once in a while for your hair, right? Now we go on to yogurt. This one I'm yet to try, but I'm really excited to try what type of yogurt. I believe maybe organic yogurt. So organic yogurt, you mix this with oil, right? All this hair masks that we're doing, you want to make sure that you're mixing it with oil. Personally speaking, I will mix all of them with oil. Why? Because I feel like when you add oil to them, it retains that, it gives it that shine. Even after you wash it out, it gives it a type of shine, and it's making sure your hair stays moisturized. You get what I mean? So with the yogurt mask, it's imperative now that you add your choice of oil to it. You leave it for approximately 20 minutes while it eliminates dandruff. Yogurt is packed with antioxidants and antifungal properties that deeply cleanses the scalp and removes excess oil from it. It soothes the scalp because we know that dandruff, if you have dandruff now, your hair will be itching, and we don't want that. So this mask balances the pH. It gives your hair a shine, and is a natural moisturizer as well. We go on to banana hair mask. You mix this one as well with oil. When you're doing these ones with like the fruits, banana, avocado, you want to make sure that you are using a blender, because the first time I attempted it, I was using a spoon to kind of like mash it up, and that was very tedious. You want to just pour everything into a blender, blend it up, and then apply it to your scalp, your hair. So the banana hair mask hydrates the hair, it prevents dryness, and it promotes healthy scalp. Then the last one that I have on the list is milk and honey mask. This one is advised to leave between 10 to 30 minutes. The fat in the milk also helps nourishes dry and damaged hair, and it's known as an incredible moisturizer for both your hair and your skin. And studies have shown that honey can actually help your hair grow and also gives it a shine. If you guys have done any of this hair mask, or whichever hair mask that you have done, please comment below and let us know the good and the bad, so that way we can all share ideas and see which one will work for us. But something you should all keep in mind is don't try everything. If you're allergic to milk or you're allergic to honey, skip the mask that has to do with honey and milk and try to exchange it with something else. Always make sure that you ask your doctors before you do any of this mask. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like, share, subscribe, and of course comment, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.